Like, out of all places to go ahead and put a package, UPS puts it on the trash. Like, come on now. Now, don't get me wrong, I love these DRL projector headlights. They're modern, they're unique, they're so cool. I was actually the second person to go ahead and actually get these on American Muscle. I got them for a nice deal too. I love these so much. I've had them for about a year, but the thing with me and thing with Sally, I get really picky with things. And to me, the only thing that I don't really like about these headlights are the angles to which they look at. They look great at some angles, but just some angles, it just doesn't look good to me. I don't know, I may just be weird, but I got tired of these. I legit got tired of these DRL projector headlights. I wanted to go back to stock. I really did. I wanted to just go ahead and put the normal stock ones in, tinted out. But instead of going back to stock, I got something a little bit better than stock. Let's look inside this box and see exactly what it is. You know you're in love when you let something go and it comes running straight back to you. I got my Halos back, got them brand new, and before you guys go comment crazy and hit me up on Instagram and all that stuff, I already have a buyer for the DRLs. Basically, he bought me the brand new Halos. They go for about like 200 bucks, and I'm trading him for my used DRLs. Perfect trade, even trade. I do want to go ahead and let you know that trades like this do happen. I always give away my car parts. Follow me on Instagram, Nate Ryder S197. I'll put my tag right here. I'm always giving away car parts. I give away a short throw shifter, give away my headlights, my exhaust, everything. Go follow me to get first hands. I highly encourage you guys to reach out to one another because you never know what other people are willing to trade. So today we are going to install the axial smoked halo lights, which looks so dope. This is gonna give me the retro original classic look with Sally, but it's gonna match so well with my current Raxium halo fog light. I also really want to go ahead and get a new grill. I don't know if I should rock the grill delete or go to the stock one. As of right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with the Eleanor, but grill, I may switch it up sooner or later. So I made a video on how to install headlights, the Raxium DRLs. It's the same exact thing. We're gonna be splicing it so that the LEDs run whenever I unlock it. Go check out a video for my installation video. I'm not gonna show you guys how to. I'm just gonna throw these bad boys on and show you guys this. And then we're gonna move on to the wing, because I know a lot of you guys are questioning about that wing. This was actually very necessary to go ahead and do, because in my past couple of videos, my full driver's side daylight running LEDs as well as the halos were out. So I'm hitting two birds with one stone. Super excited. This is how it's gonna look. The one thing that I don't really like about this is how this one is a blue LED and then this is a white LED. So with the halo lights, we're gonna go back to matching blue, and I can't wait to go ahead and show you guys. Let me go ahead and finish the install. I'm already halfway done. This is so easy. It's easy when you know how to do it. The first time is the hardest because you have to take off the front bumper. Not that many people like taking off the front bumper, but once when that baby is off, it's a piece of cake. Also wiring, but wiring comes over time. All right, we got the full bumper out. Figured out why these went out, the LEDs went out. Wiring is really bad. Just wait till you guys see this wiring, which I did. I am gonna go ahead and fix this up. Do apologize for this atrocious wiring, but I'm so glad we're doing this all in one. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly finish this up, show you guys the new setup, and then we'll go ahead and rock and roll with the wing in the back. And then Sally's gonna get a full new makeover. The tricky thing about this wiring is these tiny little wires. I'm gonna go ahead and try my best to go ahead and solder it. This is gonna be my first time soldering this bad boy. If I could get this soldering in, I should be solid for a very, very long time, because those quick splice connectors just don't do it for me. All right, and there we have it. The first halo is installed. I need to go ahead and actually get bolts for this one, but I'm gonna miss the projector style. I'm actually not gonna see anything. And then here are the halos. So there's the blue. There's the blue, it's matching. Time to go ahead and do the driver's side. It got dark pretty quickly, but look at this, boys. There she is. Grill matches perfect. Headlights match perfect. I love the blue. I need to go ahead and put the bumper back on, and then we're ready to rock and roll. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow when it's daytime, and then we'll do a little night run as well. So see you soon. The moment of truth. Will the LEDs turn on after a shower? You already know. Let's go, baby. Now, for the longest time, I've had multiple comments about these side markers, and finally today, we are gonna go ahead and black these out. I don't really care much about these, to be honest. I got the tint. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm not gonna put an aftermarket or any light up one. I'm just simply gonna go ahead and block it out. Finally, I'm getting to this after so many months. Much cleaner. Finally, I got to blacking out those side markers. Here is a little before and how they look like. Doesn't match, I mean, it kind of matches the caliper covers, but here's before and here's after. So much better. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll go ahead and talk a little bit more. Now, regarding the wing, I know which poll won last time. You guys did not want the wing, and I'm totally for it. We're gonna go ahead and make some changes to the wing. If you guys don't know exactly which wing this is the APR carbon fiber wing. This came off of a Roush Stage 3, I believe. And this retails for about $850 because this is 100% carbon fiber. I also got the carbon fiber deck lid panel from True Fiber. You guys know I love carbon fiber. I know you guys love carbon fiber. And I know without the wing, if you guys saw previously, when I take this wing off, I have to plug those holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different holes I have to go ahead and plug here. Plus I also have this. So I don't really like the look with this wing off just because there's so many inefficiencies on the trunk. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do from here on out is I'm gonna keep the wing. I am putting it up for sale. I'm thinking about starting the bid off at $400 since this is an $850 wing. If you want to go ahead and purchase this, hit me up on Instagram or through email. Until I sell it, I will have the wing on the car, and then definitely we are going with another carbon fiber wing. Comment down below which spoiler, which wing you want to go ahead and see on Sally. Full-on carbon fiber out. I'm also looking at just doing a full-on carbon fiber trunk. So stay tuned for information to come on that. I am so excited. But that is what I want to go ahead and talk about the wing. Let's go ahead, go back to the full revisions on Sally. And here we have it, the new and improved Sally. She has come a long way with her looks. My channel is created solely on racing, appearance looks, mods, how-tos, and all of that. And one of your guys' favorite things is to go ahead and modify Sally. And I love it so much because we get to go ahead and work together and make her our dream car. Making these changes really are awesome. Here is a walk around. We are doing so much more with the rear, the wing, the side markers. I mean, I would really want to go ahead and do a dual exhaust. If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I just posted not too long ago a dual exhaust. I want to go ahead and get dual exhaust. I want to go ahead and get more carbon fiber. And with your guys' help, I'm making my dream come true. And that's so awesome, getting to work with each and one of you. It is getting dark. I do apologize, but I just want to give you guys as many angles as I can of Sally, just because with her new lights, I just noticed that the fog ones are so much brighter. Those are so gnarly. Sally is looking so beautiful as always. And I want to go ahead and know what you guys want next. Go ahead and comment down below what you want to go ahead and see on Sally, your recommendations, your opinions, your thoughts, and everything regarding Sally. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love and support all the time. We are going to go ahead and continue to make more videos to come. I hope you guys have a rockin' day. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, my dudes.